In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for plagiarism in ChatGPT. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along right away. Start by opening a new chat. You're going to provide the material you want reviewed, and you can do that in one of two common ways. If your interface supports file uploads, add your source document like a PDF. If not, just copy and paste the exact text you want checked directly into the chat. Keep the text complete and in the order it appears in your work so the analysis is accurate. If your document is long, you can paste it in sections, but make sure to label each part so the context isn't lost. Once your source is in the chat, tell ChatGPT to treat it as the reference for the review. A clear prompt works best. For example, you can say, "Use the text I just provided as the source material for this analysis." This helps the model focus on exactly what you've shared. If you're checking a specific passage of your own writing against that source, include that passage next, or clarify which parts you want compared. Now ask for the plagiarism review in plain language. You might say, "Check for plagiarism," or even, "Check for potential overlap," highlight phrases that may be too close to common sources, and suggest how to paraphrase or cite properly. The model will scan the text you provided, look for language that appears generic or widely used, and flag areas that could be risky. It will also suggest ways to rephrase, clarify original ideas, and add citations where appropriate. If you have a preferred citation style, mention it so suggestions align with your needs. A quick but important note on expectations. ChatGPT does not browse the internet in real time and is not a dedicated plagiarism detector. Think of this as a helpful first pass that can highlight potentially unoriginal phrasing, missing attributions, or spots that might benefit from clearer citations. For formal submissions, especially academic or professional work, it's wise to follow up with a purpose-built plagiarism checker and your institution's guidelines. To get the best results, keep your request specific, provide the exact text you want reviewed, and avoid sharing any sensitive or proprietary information. When you're done, review the feedback, revise your writing where needed, and if necessary, rerun short sections to confirm the changes strengthened originality. And that's it. With a single chat, a clear source, and a direct request to check for plagiarism, you'll get actionable insights to make your work cleaner, clearer, and more original.